Hi, I'm attorney Matt Fendon. A common question that I get asked is, can I get fired if I file for workers' compensation in Arizona? Well, the short answer to that is, technically you could. Arizona is an at-will employment state, which means you can be fired for any reason at any time, as long as it's non-discriminatory. Well, that being said, we have the Arizona Employment Protection Act here in Arizona that says that if you file for workers' comp or exercise your rights under workers' comp, you cannot be fired for that. Does that mean that it never happens? The answer is no, it happens all the time. I get calls from potential clients and existing clients who are fired from their job for filing for workers' compensation. The best way to prevent this from happening is documenting everything. So when you're injured on the job, make sure you document it. Make sure you report it in writing, please. If you're going to have to miss time from work due to your job, or due to your injury, I should say, you want to make sure you document that, meaning you want to make sure you give your employer written work restrictions from your doctor. If your employer cannot accommodate you, you have a right to claim workers' compensation indemnity benefits, a.k.a. the compensation portion. A lot of times what we see is injured workers will go to the doctor, they'll get work restrictions from their doctor, they'll try to go back to work, and they just can't do it physically, they're in too much pain, and they go home and then they get fired. That could fly as a legitimate termination because the employer could argue that you had work restrictions, we complied with your work restrictions, but it was just too much for you subjectively. I tell my clients and existing clients, as long as they're abiding by your work restrictions, that is the employer, you should continue to try to work and document when they work you outside your restrictions. Please call us if you have any other questions about this subject or any other workers' compensation questions about injuries here in the state of Arizona. We are the Rock for injured and disabled workers, and we look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.